Hello, dear children, good morning. I'm going to continue with the lesson 4 worksheet Realms of the Earth. Okay, in our previous classes, children, we have done hard words and meanings, fill in the blanks, true or false, match the following, and short answers. So, in today's class, we are going to learn long answers of the lesson 4 realms of the earth. Okay, see the first question. Define lithosphere and describe different layers of it. Define lithosphere. lithosphere. Define lithosphere and describe. describe. Describe different. different. Different layers. layers. Layers of it. Definition of lithosphere. Lithosphere is the realm of land. Lithosphere is the realm of land. It consists of 3 layers. Lithosphere consists of 3 layers. First one is crust. Next, middle layer is mantle, and inner layer is core. Crust, the uppermost layer. Mantle, the middle layer. Core, the innermost layer. Define lithosphere and describe different layers of it. Lithosphere is the realm of land. It consists of 3 layers. Crust, the uppermost layer. Mantle, the middle layer. Core, the innermost layer. The core is further divided into inner core and outer core. So here the core is again divided into 2 parts, inner core and outer core. The deeper we go inside the earth, the hotter it gets. How deep we go inside the earth, we feel hotter while going deep. Okay. See the second question. Define biosphere. BIOSPHERE. Define biosphere and state. STATE. State 2 disadvantages. DISADVANTAGES. Disadvantages of deforestation. DEFORESTRATION. Deforestation. See the answer. Definition of biosphere is the sphere where life exists on earth. Biosphere is the sphere where life exists on earth. It includes both living and non-living components. So biosphere includes both living and non-living components. And disadvantages of deforestation are destroys. DESTROYS. Destroys the habitat. HABITAT. Destroys the habitat of animal living in the forest. Yes, we are destroying the habits of animal living in the forest. We are bringing them to zoos. We are eating the animals. If there are no plants, they go to somewhere else. In this way we are destroying the habitat of animal living in the forest. Second one, it removes the food and fodder supply to the people dependent on those trees. Yes, the people, so many people depend on agriculture, right? So it removes the food and fodder supply of the people. So deforestation, if there are no plants, there is no chance for cultivation and all those. So it removes the food and food supply of the people dependent on those trees. Third question. Draw a pie chart and describe the atmosphere composition of earth. ATMOSPHERE. Atmosphere. Okay, draw a pie chart and describe the atmosphere composition of earth. This is the pie chart of the atmosphere composition of earth. Our atmosphere consists of nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, argon gases and other gases. The nitrogen present in the atmosphere is 79% and the oxygen See here, argon gases present in the atmosphere is 0.90 percentage, and other gases present in the atmosphere is 0.17 percentage, and the carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere is 0.03 percentage, and the oxygen present here is 20.9 percentage. Okay, so this is the pie chart of the atmosphere composition of the earth. Okay, see the fourth question. Write about hydrosphere and state why earth is called as the blue planet. So we have to write what is hydrosphere, and we have to state why earth is called as blue planet. Hydrosphere, Hydrosphere, hydrosphere is the sphere of water. Hydrosphere includes oceans, rivers and lakes on the surface of the earth. Water covers nearly 71% of Earth's surface, hence the Earth is known as blue planet. 71% of Earth's surface is covered with water, hence with that reason the Earth is also known as a blue planet. Okay, so children, you go through these 4 question and answers, long question and answers. Okay, all of you read these question and answers 3 times each and note down in your homework books 2 times each. Okay children, bye, thank you.